there's no door to shut it out. The walls are leaning like they're learning you right now. You close your eyes, pretend the ground won't memorize, but every second the hollow knows your size. You're out of time, 'cause this is squishy hollows, hollow night. There's no straight line to keep you steady. Squishy hollows, feel it tight. Every step rewrites you gently. You're holding on before inside the softest. Squishy hollows tonight. Soft creatures call, and the walls begin to breathe your name. There's no escaping what reshapes you when you stay. This is the place where edges disappear, where every fear learns how to feel. They're closing gently, no claws, no teeth, just give and take. They don't attack you, they remember every shape. Now is the moment, stop resisting what you are. Lean into motion, let the hollow pull you close. You'll feel the cold, 'cause this is squishy hollows, hollow night. I can feel you changing when you move me. Squishy hollows, feeling light. Every fear dissolves into the groove. See, so let it hold you deep inside the softest. Squishy hollows here tonight. I feel it moving tonight. Soft closes in again. Every hollow learns your weight as the edges slowly bend. I feel it moving tonight. No straight ground left to stand. The hollow breathes around your shape and takes you as you are. Moving tonight. No scream survives the foam. Every fear you're trying to keep gets gently overthrown. I feel it moving tonight. The pressure starts to